A woman is raped by a man. When does this act of this man constitute the offence of gang rape? What punishment is prescribed under IPC for such offence? It appears to be a fairly simple question. Actually, let's see the relevant section first, 376D. The caption is gang rape. It is defined like this: where a woman is raped by one or more persons constituting a group or acting in furtherance of a common intention, each of those persons shall be deemed to have committed the offence of rape. Each of these persons shall be deemed to have committed the offence of rape. It's a deeming provision. Let us say, as in our case, rape is committed only by one person, but other persons shall also be deemed to have committed the offence of rape. And it is not an offence of gang rape as such. This word has not been used in the definition provision. It's how we call it generally, because it's used in, this term is used in the caption but not in the actual section. Each of these persons shall be deemed to have committed the offence of rape. It would have been better if here also it would have been said that the offence of gang rape, the term gang rape should have been used here. And then punishment is prescribed. So punishment is rigorous imprisonment, minimum 20 years, maximum imprisonment till the end of natural life. I do not know whether there is any other kind of life, natural life or artificial life. Life is life. Even if the term used would have been person's life, it means the same thing. And even if they have not used this long term, instead they could have said it shall not be less than 20 years, but it will extend to life imprisonment. It should have meant the same thing. Life is only natural. You can't have artificial life. So that apart, the punishment is prescribed here in this way. Now, our question was this. What was the question? A woman is raped by a man. When does this act of this man constitute the offence of gang rape? So when does this act become the offence of gang rape? What is the requirement? There must be a group of persons. One of them commits the offence of rape. Everyone else shall be deemed to have committed the offence of rape. Isn't it? The first requirement is that there is a rape by at least one person. There may be other persons may also be involved, but at least one person. And then there must be a group of persons. That's all. Second requirement, in the alternative, acting in furtherance of a common intention. The word, conjunctive word is or. So if I have to answer this question, I can write like this. Where a woman is raped by a man, this act of this man constitutes the offence of gang rape if the man constitutes a group, which means if he is part of a group of several persons, or if the act of rape is done in furtherance of a common intention. Again, common intention of whom? Of several persons. See, if we go by the definition, we find it to be defective in the sense that it does not say acting in furtherance of a common intention of whom. Common intention, that's all. They have left it here. They have also not specified what kind of group should be there. Constituting a group. What kind of group? Should it be a group of criminals? Should it be a group of, or can it be a group of any other types of persons? For example, if I say, so the question is what kind of group? Nothing is specified about the nature of this group. It can be a group of gangsters. It can be even a group of religious persons. It can be a group of saints. If going strictly by the definition, if there is a group of persons of whatever kind, good persons, bad persons, doesn't matter. Even if it's a group of good persons, spiritual persons or academic, anything, sports person, whatever. So one of them commits the offense of rape. That's the only requirement. Where a woman is raped by one or more persons constituting a group. So there is a group of, let us say, 3 persons. They are involved in research work. So they form a group of research scholars. One of them commits the offense of rape. It's very strange that each of them shall be deemed to have committed the offense of rape. Why? We are not talking of their intention. We are not talking of aiding or in any way being involved in the offense of rape. We are not talking even of common intention, because common intention is in the alternative, in the second part of the definition. As far as the first part is concerned, we can conclude, we will stop there. When a woman is raped by one person, let us say, constituting a group, then each of those persons, again it is not told those persons means which persons. So obviously the meaning is that each of those persons who constitute the group. Wherever a woman is raped by a person constituting a group, each of these persons constituting the group shall be deemed to have committed the offense of rape. It is yielding very unexpected results when we use, because the group has not been further elaborated. What kind of group? What kind of intentions? What kind of common object was there of the group? Neither a common object is required nor a common intention is required. Just constituting a group is sufficient. So this section needs to be reframed. As it stands now, this has very wide ramifications, and the reason I have explained, that the kind of group is not specified, nor we are talking anything about their common object, nor are we talking about common intention. We are simply saying that if one person constituting a group of whatever kind commits the offense of rape, all other members of the group shall be deemed to have committed the offense of gang rape.